Welcome to this Flow with Owen handstands video, where I speak to the 3 keys I think are most important for a solid handstand practice and the 3 mistakes I see most. So first and foremost, I think one of the most important things for a solid handstand practice is intention. The intention you have when you go in sets the stage or the foundation for how you rise up. So if you just go in with silly willy-nilly hands, you're not going to really have a foundation to stack upon. And to that note, the second most important thing is this stack and protract principle, where if you're not stacking and really pushing through those shoulders, you don't have like that solid, stable hip joint that is normally going to be replacing that aspect of us in our inversion. Because that stack and protract is so key, it allows us to really ground down into our stability. And the third most important principle, which is personally more from my playful standpoint, is that joy is the success. When you go in seeking perfection, you come out not satisfied every time. When you go in seeking fun, you can come out even more satisfied than expected. And that satisfaction is the key to your success, because you're doing this to feel good. Follow the good feelings, listen to your body, and let go into the flow. If you do this, you're Gucci. Otherwise, the 3 biggest mistakes I see most are what I think of as throwing yourself into it, i.e. trying to toss up a bunch of momentum that you then have to stop, which is a whole nother skill in and of itself, like jumping onto your hands. Or I see that no foundation being set, where we're not worried about, like, if you're going to stand on one foot, do you care that your foot is grounded down and stable? Yes, of course. So if you do this with your hands, you can do this and then get that stack and protract in alignment with who you really are. And then I think the third kind of mirrors the third of the last one. If you're approaching it with this need to be something that you aren't right now, then you can't transform who you are. Be who you are, love where you're at, and then choose to rise up, hold, and have fun along the way each and every day. Thank you for listening, and choose to have fun by letting go into the flow, reaching out and trying some of my practices so you can continue to make your progress to perfection by being the perfect self that you already are.